Next, sorry, babe. So, pupunta kami. Sasakay na kami ng train papuntang city. Anong gagawin? Magtitingin ng jacaranda.
Purple tree because it's
Spring
season here.
Spring season. I'm using my Charles and Keith bag. So simple. So yeah, simple lang and so nipis. So small. And so, first, my phone, of course. My phone, my Opal card. Look at my ano. Wait. Wallpaper reveal. Look. So, eme lang. And then, oh no. I have my NSWID. Then, AirPods. Pag ako'y naboboringan na. And, dalawang ponytail. Isa kay Sharon, isa akin. Kasi minsan lagi yung, ate, may pang-edit ka. Naalis kami. Tapos, lipstick. Dior na lipstick. Pang, retouch. That's it. That's all. That's all that I have.
This station is Booty Hill.
DJI. Mic case.
Yeah, we're using DJI pala.
Gift from Sharon. Thank you, B.
Thank you, B. Ako na, ilabas mo. Ako kahawak.
Power bank. For Sharon din.
Kaya nga, lagi natin iniisip natin si Sharon.
Lagi siyang lobat kapag kami lalabas. Hindi pa nakakaalis ng bahay.
Kuya, may power bank ka. Kana, ilabas mo. May gidala kang cord.
And battery. Yung DJI camera.
Ba't ka naman lahat?
Ay, pag nalobat.
Ay, Diyos ko, hindi mo lalobat. Nang hours lang tayo sa city. Ayun yun.
And yung wind blower. Wind blocker. Wind block for mic. Ha? Meat daw, meat.
Wind meat.
Yeah. And this is the pouch for that.
Alright, I'll put na lang. Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda ng pouch. I like it.
And also, tissue. Ba't ako may tissue naman?
Kasi sipunin ka.
Kaya naman ako may tissue.
Kasi lagi kang bumabaking.
Tsaka, wala. Ito.
Ang daming basura sa bag
Puro
niya.
basura.
Gold Coast.
Gold Coast. This is the train.
When did we went to
Train card.
Gold Coast?
Last December?
Last year, December. It's almost a year.
Almost a year. Ano?
11 months. Go explore Gold Coast. So try to go in Gold Coast. It's very stunning.
Stunning. Okay.
This train will stop at
Stunning.
Doomside.
Go
Wait,
there.
what do you
I
have?
advise to go there during summer.
Wait. Ang dami niya basura.
Basura.
Ba't ka naman may band-aid?
Galing ko sa mga itatay ko.
At
Wet
saka,
wipes.
Wet wipes.
Ba't ka lagi may wet wipes? Dahil ikaw ay?
Taihin.
Hindi.
Yun lang.
Yun, salamin. May ano pa.
So, may eyeglass.
Eyeglass. Yan. Baka naman maggasgasian. Oh, lagyan din yan. And
a tripod. Because we're going
This
to
station is
place
Doomside.
na magpipicture-picture. Yun lang.
Napakalaga ng pagtaripad.
and then, ano pang nandiyan? Patingin ko.
Yun lang.
Wala na.
Yun lang.
Ano ba
Mga iba naman makakapkap mo naman din.
Ano makakapkap ko dito? Chanin! Adapter. Adapter ba yan?
Yeah.
Charger.
Wala na.
Meron pa pang likod na. Pakita mo yung bag, B.
Ay! Lucas Papao. Australian made Lucas Papao.
Pang ano mo yan? Sa labi. Mga kasi dry. Lagi siya nagdadram.
Dry skin.
Lagyan mo nga ngayon yung sarili mo.
Next stop, Blacktown.
You could be fined for placing your feet on the seat.
Wala, may langgam. Eh, ano ba yun? Hala, blank.
This
Wish ka,
train
wish.
will stop at Blacktown, Seven Hills, Westlake, Parramatta,
Ba't sobrang dry ka talaga?
Strathfield, Redfern, Central.
Dry yan.
Tingin nga, harap ka na sa misis. Baka maano
Sa
yung...
may cheese din eh. Nadulas. Sabi ko, ay nadulas.
Kung ako'y tagihawatin, ari naman ay dry.
Dahil sa akin, water yun.
Nag-hot-water ka ba pag naligo? Ha?
Yeah.
Si Bill, pag lagi naligo, pagpasok ko, usok na usok. Hindi na naligo ng malamig eh.
So we're here at Milson's Point. Kiribili.
Coffee here.
Here, coffee.
Coffee here. Thank you, Bear. Coffee here. Specialty coffee. Let's go.
One coffee.
Thanks.
Do you like Vietnamese? Whole night.
48 hours.
Yeah.
Shall. Let's go.
Oh, Diyos ko po. Gising ka. Magdamag kang gising.
So pait.
Magdamag kang gising.
Ha? Tara. I want sugar. Hi, sorry. Can we put sugar here? 2. What about yours? Sorry for that.
Sugar yung vanilla.
Vanilla.
Because it's hard to cook.
Alright, okay. It's alright. Yep, I think so. Sorry, can you help me, please?
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll do. Thank you so much.
I'm sorry about that.
That's alright.
Thanks. How was it? Good?
It's good.
How about you?
I'll check mine. Much better.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tamad pag-video. Gusto lagi siyang binibidyo. Honey. Kasi inano ka na. Hala, laki ng bread. Hoy, tingnan mo, parto ka. I-video mo to.
Parto. Sabi mo, parto ka dali.
It's massive.
Parto ka, parto.
It's
Saan
massive.
tayo paparto?
Let's read the Batangan Parto ka.
Hoy, alam mo, 3 years na tayo dito sa Sydney. Parang hindi naman nabago. Hala, may napatak na ano sa Jacaranda.
Ha?
Nilalamig na daw si Be.
Ba't ba nagdala tayong picnic ba?
Kaya nga.
Pwede naman diretso na saan. Ba't kaya ang picnic mat nila? Para-pareho ng kulay. Hindi lang.
Are we done with
Almost.
the photos? Are we done with their photos?
Yes.
We're going home now.
Yeah. And do some makeup thing for Halloween. And watch movie. Horror one. That's all. And gonna eat first at Paramata. Are we? Okay. See ya.
What do you call your pants? Your tin
Ah.
pants.
Oh my gosh.
Uy,
I think we need to
27.
think it overnight.
27 naman. 27.
I think
27.
subscribers. I think we need to think it overnight.
Patingin. Hi guys. Papakita ko po sa inyo nung napaka-OA na ate. What did you see?
A lightning strike. I saw the color and the length.
How did you react?
Oh my god! Like that. my God!
Paka-OA.
Baka matamaan ako ng kadlat! So scared! Hindi niya kasi nakita. Nakita ko.
Nakita ko.
Oh my God.
How do you
Si OA.
see OA?
Totoo naman. So scary.
OA. OA na po sila parehas.
Nakakainis.
Sagipin niyo po ako sa ka-OA yan. Ang dalawa.
I-video mo kami. So, bumili ako ng ano nga yung chicken na binili ko, babe?
Alam mo, percent na lang.
Tapos pag-upo ko, nilagay ko muna dito. Pag-upo ko, yung automatic nag-slide. Tapos nilimot ka.
Kinain po
First,
niya.
nilimot ko muna yung 3 piraso. Nilagay ko ulit dito, nag-slide ulit. So, kinain ko pa rin. Di ba ako namatay? So, see you on our next vlog. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Char.